So SMASH is a career development training program co-funded by European Commission. The program is called COFUND. It's a Marie Curie program. SMASH is very intersectorial and very interdisciplinary. It includes 5 research areas related to machine learning and its application to sciences and humanities. The postdocs will come during this project that will last for 5 years, and their postdoctoral appointments will be 2 years each. We expect to host 50 postdocs over this 5-year time. These postdocs will be hosted in Slovenia, in 5 institutions in Slovenia, but can also do secondments or long-term visits to various institutions worldwide that include many in Europe, but some in the US, in Brazil, South Africa, Israel, and so on and so forth. As far as the role of UNG is concerned, we are coordinators of the program, and at the same time we expect to supervise the postdocs in 3 research areas.